This 2010 Chevrolet Avalanche equipped with steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, power driver seat, heated mirrors, power door locks, CD player, traction control, 4-wheel drive, leather steering wheel, anti-lock brakes, rear head airbag, and power passenger seat, driven with care for 59,317 miles, makes this Avalanche an easy choice for you.
Major World wants to make you a customer for life. Not just you, but your friends and family as well. Major World would like to make your car buying experience a pleasurable one. That way, you feel confident referring a friend or family member.